Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
TLS and internet we already have. Okay, so let me go to policy, click on add policy. List we already have. I click on next, and I think it will be a traffic data policy. Okay, I think they are changing route, so yeah, topology, custom control, custom control route policy. Service VPN prefer ISP. General name I am keeping. What I will prefer of my VPN 10 will prefer the MPLS. Okay, first type route, first rule. So my VPN 10 color list. I am already having two color list, so I will configure MPLS action accept, or here you can configure the reject also. Yeah, if you will reject, so this VPN 10 will not follow the MPLS path. That's how we can configure. We will accept preference. Just we will increase the preference to 100. Save and match action. Default action accept. Let me check the default action is accept. It will be accept, but just to double check. Default action will be accept here. Accept, save and match action. Save control policy. That's it. And next. Okay, next. Here we can conclude it. Site list. Here you can see inbound and outbound list, where we need to create this direction. Okay. The same thing we discussed yesterday. So in this policy, I have make the two rules. VPN 10 prefer MPLS and VPN 20 prefer internet. So that's something we need to configure. But I configured one of the things. I will configure second one also if you want. So we have configured in inbound. Okay, so it will change the routing table for all the for this vSmart, and the same thing will be redistributed to the other side. So that's, so other site will also follow the same. Okay, if I want to reach this one, this site will prefer this link, so I need to send my traffic from this one. So branch 1 to 3 we have mapped all the sites, DC, DC2, all the things. So let me configure the second rule also. If you want to see back, add it. Second rule, this VPN 20. So we don't have a list, so we can mention VPN ID 20 and color. For color we have the list internet. Okay, action accept reference 100. Okay, save and match action. Default action we already completed. It's so currently we have two rules. What happened? It's gone. Okay, it's gone. Oh, let me configure again. So back custom control. So we already configured the policies, right? So let me import existing policies. So I already have created this custom control, and you can import. That's how. If you already created import, let's import. Next, let me check my.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.